how to open a Connecion box in BMW Z4. Before you do anything like that, just make the picture of all the fuses, and then you know which one goes where, and put back together. Make the picture before you take use of all the fuses. Now to open this, it's good to have something like, I use the plastic blocks for the tiling, for leveling the tiles, and just press it inside like that. I think this is the best tool to do that. If you haven't got, you can use cable ties. You can cut the cable ties and use like that. I think this is better because they locked it better, and you can adjust the height. He start to pop off. We got another 4 of them. The reason I opened this, I checked the fault with my BMW. It's like airbag is on, there's no communication between the modules, as roof stop working, indicator sometimes working, sometimes not. Some gremlins inside, like I say. Okay, we got this off, and which I'm gonna try to start to pulling out slowly. Okay, well, it's one more here. See, it's coming off nice. Okay, one more here. Oh yes, you see? And this is how it looks inside there. Check for any damage, for any water damage. some weld. Maybe some weld is not too good. Just do visual check, see what's going on, and then we can open from other side. Pull all this thing. I think they're all the same. Check the numbers, yeah, they're all the same. All the same, well, should be no problem. I'll make the picture before you pull this out. Then you can pull this like that. You see? Now the check if it's not any damage on this thing. Okay, you see, I don't know if you can see, I find the problem, see, is that thing is detached from this, you know. I think some, I don't know, this is fuse or some thermal switch or something like that. But you see, it's detached from the over here. See, this is cause all the problem. There's no communication between the modules. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weld this over. See, I'm gonna press this inside like that, and all should be fine. You see, simple thing, and can be solved, you know. If you got problem with your BMW, especially Z4, E85, just open this junction box, that's called, and should be some problem around there, you know. I read the many forums, but nobody guide me anywhere near this, and that's why I opened this. I'm lucky, it's just that. Okay, let's weld this in. Okay, we're gonna try to weld this now. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, we got some success with the welding. Hope this is gonna hold. I believe this wire is like getting hot when there's something wrong with the car, and when it's getting hot, it's just bend it out and pull it that thing from this side. Must be that, I'm not sure what is that, but I think this was the problem. It was lack of communication between the modules. Okay, we got all this fixed over here. It's holding. Let's pull this all back together. Now's the back bit. Okay. This side, everything I checked, and it's got connection. Then let's put back. Okay, quite easy. Okay. Before you do anything like that, just make the picture of all the fuses, and then you know which one goes where, and put back together. I make that picture, and I've got all this there. You see, like that, and then you take this fuses, easy put it like you got everything got colored, and it should be easy, you know. Start from this side, obviously. Okay, what we've got here: 25, 30, and then we got 5, 5, 5. What there? Then we got 25. Then we got 5. A red one. Five, 10, 25. Okay, the three of them is empty. Another row. 10, 7.5, 20, 5, 10, 5, another 5, 25, which is 30. Plenty of 5s, you know, small amperage. There's another 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. Then we got green one, 30, and yellow one, 20. Start again, 30, 10, 7.5, 7.5, 30, 10, 5, 20, there is the big one, 40, then is the 5. Before you put the fuses, just check this is not burning inside there, you know. 5, 30, 7.5, 30, no, 7.5, oh, there we go, 7.5, 30, and then I think 30, but it's different green, and 15 over there, same like in the picture. Check again. Okay, always double check, you know, like Okay, now the big one. 40, 4 of them. 40, 40, 50, 40, and 40. Okay. And on this side is the metal relay. Then we've got big one, which is 100. This is the fuses as well. Another one is near this is 60. Okay. And another 60 is on the back. But between this, I think is one metal slot. I think it's this one. No. Metal slot. Because this one is more deeper over here. Must be slot. Okay. And then 60, those metal things. Some square washers. Okay. One more. And the nuts. This is like 5mm nuts, and we use 8mm socket to tie them like that. You can use the drill or you can do manually, it's up to you. Okay, now is this 8mm one with 13 span. Okay. You can always double check this they okay. And okay, the back side, a bunch of relays. Also make pictures before you do it. I've got the picture here. Okay, and the big one is going here. This way. Okay, and then small one, small one, small one, and was last one, small one. This is empty, and that's it. Now we can put back together to the car and check.